Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating issue that many gamers are experiencing with Grounded 2, the game refusing to launch on PC. Whether you're getting error messages, the game crashes immediately, or nothing happens when you click play, I've got you covered with these proven solutions. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Launch issues often stem from software conflicts, outdated drivers, or missing components. First, let's check if your system meets the minimum requirements. Grounded 2 is a demanding game, so ensure your hardware is up to par. Check the official requirements on the game's website and compare them with your system specs. If you meet the requirements, let's try running the game as administrator. Right-click the Grounded 2 shortcut or executable file, select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, and check Run this program as an administrator. This can resolve permission-related launch issues. Next, let's verify your game files through your game platform. If you're using Steam, right-click Grounded 2 in your library, select Properties, go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. For other platforms, look for similar repair or verify options. Now, let's update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers are a common cause of game launch failures. Visit NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel's website to download the latest drivers for your specific graphics card. Use the Clean Installation option if available to remove old driver files completely. If you're still having issues, let's check for software conflicts. Temporarily disable any overlay software like Discord Overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience Overlay, or MSI Afterburner. These can sometimes interfere with game launches. For Grounded 2 specifically, let's ensure any anti-cheat or security software is working properly. Check the game's installation folder for any anti-cheat components and try running their setup or repair utilities. If the game still won't launch, let's try updating DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. These are essential components that many games require. You can download the latest versions from Microsoft's official website. As a last resort, you might need to perform a clean boot to identify background software conflicts. Press Windows key +R, type msconfig, and under the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, then click Disable all. Restart your computer and try launching the game again. I know how frustrating it is when a game you're excited to play won't even launch. One of these solutions should get Grounded 2 running. For most players, verifying game files or updating drivers does the trick. If this guide helped you get Grounded 2 working, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.